Good morning, class. Sit down, sit down. Everyone, I said you to all sit down. Why you all are not sitting? So guys, today we are going to do teachers challenge. And wait. One scrapbook is with me. Whose scrapbook it is? Whose scrapbook it is? Yesterday, some students have distributed the scrapbooks. I have said them to distribute it. They have distributed also. Whose scrapbook it is? Yesterday, who was absent? Inaya? Shambhavi? Yesterday, who was absent? You were absent. Yeah, it's your only. And the best school assignment is of Shambhavi. Let me tell you. See this cutie pie stickers. And here written school assignment. And then when you open it, here maths robot, maths project, here EVS project, so beautiful. And then you will get it here, computer project, again so beautiful. And then this is so beautiful, Mussoorie holiday experience. How good she has making. How very good she has making. Very good. Clap hands for her. I said you all to clap hands for her. Very good. So Shambhavi, take your scrapbook. Shambhavi, take your scrapbook. Pass it to her. Okay? Shambhavi, better go and ask chalk from auntie. Yeah, go and ask chalk from auntie. Didi, chalk दे दीजिएगा इनको. हाँ. Yes, class. Why you all are shouting this much? Why you all are shouting this much? I asked you something. And you boys, stand up. Stand up and stand here. Stand here, I said. Stand here, I said. What happened, Shambhavi? Job. Thank you. Thank you so much. You have done this much hard work. Now sit down, sit down. And today I'll teach you EVS. You all can see over here writing. Can you all see over here? EVS, okay? EVS is written over here. If anybody is not audible, shift your place. I'm telling you. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Should I beat you? I have beaten you. Nothing to. Just. Fine. Trainer is like okay. EVS. Anybody can tell me EVS full form here? Anybody knows? Raise your hand. Yes, Inaya Shahnwaz. Environmental. Very good. Sit down, beta. Very good. EVS full form is Environmental Studies. And nobody will laugh on this because here it is written environmental. Mental means pagal and everybody knows. So nobody will laugh on this because this is a full form. Okay, if anybody will laugh a single time, I'll tell you then. So this is our EVS book. Beta chalk is falling. Wait, I'm going to take it. Nice. Like to say. So chapter number 5. What is chapter number 5 name? What is chapter number 5 name? The animal world. The animal world. Let me write it over here. Chapter 5 name. Yes, again any complaint? Why in this class only complaints are there? Who is the monitor of the class? Shambhavi. And who is the monitor? Akshar. Come and stand in mind the class. If any complaint will come, I'll beat you both. If any complaint will come, mind the class. Stand over there and then mind. Don't come over here. The animal word. Okay. So now I'm going to explain the chapter. Bell is rang. So now I'm going to explain the chapter. Dun, 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 dun. Bell is rang. Now I'm going. Okay. So sorry beta. Shambhavi, come here. Just hold this, okay? Just hold this all my. बेटा hold कर लो, ठीक है? भी hold कर लो. Okay. चौक है, मैं चौक यहीं पे रख रही हूँ, ठीक है? एंड अभी तो स्टाफ रूम में. Now which teacher period it is? Computer period, okay? Thank you बेटा. तो अभी मैं ऐसे स्टाफ रूम. So guys, and now I'm going in staff room. And अभी आपको स्टाफ रूम का सीन मिलेगा. Let's come guys, come. So guys, I'm coming in 2 minutes.
तो टीचर बन गई थी आने आपको दिखाएंगे.
So I am in staff room, sitting over here. कौन किसने छींका? किसने छींका? इतने तेज छींकते हैं इतने तेज. अरे मैम, मैं क्या करूं? ये क्लास इतनी बेकार है ना प्रियंका मैम. स्टाफ रूम में तो टीचर्स बात करने के लिए ही आती हैं. अरे मैम, मैं भी क्या करूं? इतने बेकार है ना ये लोग. मैं खुद पागल हो गई और सोची थी पिंक कलर की बिंदी लगा लूंगी. लगा के तो आई हूँ, बीड़ी ख़त्म हो गई. अरे ये सोने की है. हाँ, आपको भी हट जाएगी. लो ना, पहनो एक बार. पहनो तो एक बार, आपको भी हट जाएगी. हट गई, देखा ना. अरे ये ऐसी खुलने वाली है ना, खुलने वाली है तो हट जाएगी आपको भी. हाँ. अरे मैम, इतनी गंदी क्लास है ना. मैं खुद बताऊँ मैं क्यों इस क्लास टीचर हूँ. इतना चिल्लाना पड़ता है. अगर आप मेरे क्लास में होती ना, मैं खुद इतना ज़्यादा चिल्लाई थी ना. आप खुद बोलती 2 टीचर्स आर हेयर एंड इतना वो हो रहा है. ओह, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम. गुड मॉर्निंग. नो मैम, आई एम राइटिंग सम इम्पॉर्टेंट नोट्स इन डायरी. नो मैम, राइटिंग सम इम्पॉर्टेंट नोट्स इन डायरी. हाँ. अरे मैम, राइटिंग सम इम्पॉर्टेंट नोट्स इन डायरी. राइटिंग सम इम्पॉर्टेंट नोट्स. प्रिंसिपल मैम चली गई. अरे भाई मैम, मैं क्या बताऊँ. हाँ, टीचर्स तो स्टाफ रूम में बात करने के लिए आती हैं. ओह, अरे प्रियंका मैम, मैं तो भूल गई मेरा पीरियड था. मेरा क्लास 5th में पीरियड था ना. आई हैव टू टेक क्लास इन क्लास 5th में. मेरे को क्लास लेना है. अब चलो जल्दी भागो यार. मेरी साड़ी ठीक है ना मैम? अरे सारे बच्चे बोल रहे हैं मैम की साड़ी नहीं ठीक है. मेरी साड़ी ठीक है ना? उसमें बता दो ठीक वीक है. सारे बच्चे बोल रहे हैं ठीक नहीं है, ठीक नहीं है. ठीक है ना साड़ी? ठीक है मैम. तो अब मेरे को क्लास 5th में लेना है. So I have to take period number in class 6th. Sorry, not 6th, 5th. So everybody can see this written over here. तो class 5th में I'm teaching EVS only in class chair inside. Okay, so class 5th. Is this a fish market? परेशान हो गई. Is this a fish market over here? Washroom. In this period only you want to go washroom. Ma'am, may I go to washroom? Ma'am, may I go to washroom? Ma'am, may I go to drink water? Ma'am, can I drink water? यही काम है स्कूल में, यही करने आते हो तुम लोग. Go back to your place. Back to your place, I said. Amritesh has said you to back to your place, na? So class, be quiet and whatever I am teaching, just listen it. Listen it carefully. Lecture today I will not teach anything. बहुत शोर हो रहा है ना तुम लोगों का. बैठे. Today also I will not teach anything. मैं बैठी हूँ. ठीक है. I am also sitting now. Today also I will not teach anything. I am also sitting like this only. Today also I will not teach anything. Back to your place. अभी मैंने अमृतेश को उसी चीज के लिए डांटा. And तुम फिर आ गए. And why boys only need to go? Girls are not going. Girls are concentrating in class. Why? Why this is happening? Girls are concentrating, focusing in the class, and what happening to boys? What the hell? क्या हो रहा है भाई तुम लोगों को? बहुत ज्यादा सुसुपोटी आ रही है. बहुत ज्यादा हो गया अब तुम लोगों का. अब कोई मेरे पीरियड में वॉशरूम या जाएगा नहीं. अगर बहुत इमरजेंसी हो तो then only I can allow you. तभी मैं अलाउ करूंगी. Back to your place. Sit, everyone sit at your place like this. अब मैं क्लास फर्स्ट के बच्चों को बुलाऊं कि इन लोगों को बैठना बता दो कैसे बैठते हैं. बुलाऊं मैं? Goodbye. Finish.